Hello out there, YouTube friends. Guess what today is? It is a Stitch Fix day. So hi, I'm Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. Thanks for checking out my channel. Welcome and welcome back if you are a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe. If you enjoy unboxing and try on content for fashion in your 40s, I also do occasional book review and recommendations. That is bonus content on Thursdays. So if that's something that interests you as well, I would love for you to subscribe and check that notification bell. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, this Stitch Fix came exactly like this. So the box is rather beat up. This was a replacement fix from my last Stitch Fix that I will post up above for you to check out. My last fix was not a good fix, so they sent me this fix and waived the styling fee for me so that hopefully I will find something in this box that I love. So let's dig right in. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will put all of the information down in the description box. There is a $25 styling fee. That fee does go towards anything that you wish to keep in the box. You get 5 items that is curated for you based on your style profile. And you also get in your box a return label. All shipping is free. Anything you don't wish to keep goes back in this bag to send back. You have usually 5 days, I believe it is, to send things back. You can ask for an extension if you need it. You also will get a nice little envelope here with your pricing guide, as well as a note from your stylist and style cards that will help you to style your outfits. So I don't like to look at the pricing guide until the end. But here are the styling cards. You can see that there are items on there from this box, and they give you ideas on how to style it. My stylist is Stephanie. I believe that she is a new stylist for me. So she says, "Hi again, Cindy. I'm so glad you found some great pieces from the first portion of our fix preview." So that was something new that they did this time. I actually got the fix preview. So typically they would send you just 5 random items curated for you based on your style profile. They've added a new feature, which is they will send you, I believe it was like, I don't know, 8 to 10 items for me to preview. You can choose some items from that preview and let them know that, yes, I want to see those items. And then if you don't choose a whole 5 items, then they will randomly send you other things that they think might fit your style. So that was kind of nice. I was thrilled when I found those Vigoss shorts and distressed jeans. I did ask for some Vigoss. I wanted to try them. The shorts are a great classic style that will be perfect for the upcoming spring and summer weather. How do they fit? Are you just a big fan of them in person? These skinny distressed jeans are sure to give you a bit more character. How do they fit? I was also so glad that you're excited for this Market and Spruce dress. This is such a great quality option with the added scallop detail along the pockets and neckline. What do you think of the style? For a warmer layer, throw on this Confetti cardigan from Love Ellie. This speckled design of this cardigan is perfect to tie in a few more subtle colors. Have fun trying everything and let me know what you think. XO Stephanie. So we will get started and see what we have in our little bundle. So here is our pretty little bundle. Everything did stay intact. I do have a couple rips here, but look at that. Everything's very neutral, but that's okay. I did ask for some jeans and some jean shorts. So I always like dresses this time of year. So I'm excited to see how everything looks and how everything fits. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. We have first we have a blue and white striped blouse. Very pretty, very summery and springy. It looks like it's a 3/4 length sleeve, maybe a long sleeve. Has this cute little tie here at the end of the sleeve. It looks like it is a 1X and it is Michael Kors. So this is a very cute little blouse. Michael Kors kind of scares me on the price, so we will see how we do with that. This must be the speckled cardigan she was referring to. Very cute. It does have some little, it's like a creamy grayish color, and it does have some speckled different colors in there. Looks like there's some purples and some oranges. Very subtle, very cute. Could really be worn with anything. It has pockets, which is always a good thing. I like that as well. And I always like a cute little dress for spring and summer. I wear these a lot with jean jackets. I can wear them to work. I can wear them on the weekends. And this is a cute black base with a spaghetti strap. These straps are adjustable. We have some adjustable straps there. And there is this nice smocking in the back, which is always good and makes it a little more comfortable. And it does have this cute little, like she was saying in her letter, this cute little scallop detail. I don't know if you can tell, you'll be able to see that better when I'm wearing it. And the scallop detail is also around the little pockets that are here on the waist. So very cute. I'm excited for that. Looks like it is also lined, which is another plus. All right, so now we have the Vigoss Marley mid-rise shorts. These are a luxe stretch. Very cute. Not really distressed, but has some good shading or fading or whatever that is. And then we have a little cuff here on the bottom. Looks like a good length as well. And then we have some Vigoss skinny jeans. These are a Marley as well. And they do have just a little bit of distressing. You can see there at the top, and then there's a little bit at the knees as well. And the hem is just a standard regular hem. So let's get to trying these on. I'm excited. This looks to be like a much better box than the last time. So fingers crossed, I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have outfit number one. This is the Michael Kors top, and evidently I'm not a very good judge of sleeves. This is a full sleeve. Again, it has this cute little knot detail here. I do like the vertical stripe. It's very comfortable, but it's kind of shapeless. It has this little slit right here. It's very comfortable, fits me nicely. I like the neckline. It's very soft and flowy and lightweight for this time of year. Here it is from the back. But I have to say that I don't love it. It's okay. It's just kind of, I mean, I don't know what other word to use, shapeless. I mean, it's just kind of there. Looks a little bit better with the front tuck than just hanging it out. It does have a little bit better shape there, but there's really nothing else that's really special about it, at least not that I'm seeing. And then we'll move on to the Vigoss jeans. These are a pretty good fit. They are a little bit snug around the waist, but I think that that's something that will work its way out. There is some stretch to it, so I think that they would stretch out a little bit. I'm going to pan down so that you can see what they look like all the way around. Okay, so again, I don't know. I think I have an issue with the lighter wash here on the thighs because it has a tendency to be here on the butt too. And I feel like that just brings more attention to those areas of my legs, which is not necessarily a bad thing. So I don't know. I kind of like these. They fit me nicely. I can move in them well. Again, with any skinny jean, I always have to wear them around a little bit, make sure there's no gaping here at the waist. But here's what they look like from the back. So let me know what you think about these. Have you had experience with Vigoss jeans? I have one pair of Vigoss that are, that has holes in them and they're like an ankle length and they're more of a looser fit. So I haven't tried any that are the skinny jeans. So just let me know what you think. I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, here we are with the next two pieces. We have on the speckled cardigan, which is very comfortable. It fits me nicely. The length of the arms is good. The length of the cardigan itself is good. It has the cute little slit right here. Does have pockets. I'm gonna get a little closer, see if you can see the speckled. I don't know if there we go. See, can you see those collars? Very cute, very versatile. I just don't know that I need another cardigan. I'm trying to get out of that cardigan t-shirt, cardigan cami kind of look. It gets kind of boring. And I feel like this is a little heavier. And we might be kind of getting out of that season of wearing the cardigans. So I just paired it with a black t-shirt that I already had in my closet. And then the shorts also are Vigoss. I do feel like these fit me nicely. The length is actually pretty good. It's actually a little bit longer than what I typically wear in shorts. I should probably wear a longer length because of, you know, my legs, but I'm confident in how I look and my body, and so I'm comfortable wearing them a little bit shorter. One thing I don't like about these shorts is the cuff here is not attached, I guess, but it is on the outside. So this kind of folds over, and it kind of bothers me a little bit. But I'll let you see what these look like from the back. So I don't know if these are going to be a keeper or not. I'm going to let my husband look at them and see what he thinks. But this might be a deal breaker for me. Again, I like the fold there. I like that little detail, the cuff. I think it's cute, but this might bother me, especially as you wash them and they get less structured here. That might become a problem for me. So we have one more item. Let's try on the dress. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is our last item in this box. I do have to say I like the dress. I like the scallop detail here. I like that I can adjust these straps. Everything underneath the arm is fitting nicely. Everything is comfortable around the waist. The smocking in the back is nice and comfortable. I love that it has pockets. I like that it's lined. It covers everything that I feel like I need to cover, and it's still flattering. I like the small print. Very pretty floral print. Now, I can't wear this to work without wearing something over it, but it's not unusual for me to wear a jean jacket or, you know, a short cropped cami or something like that if I wear something like this to work. It is a little bit longer than what I prefer, but for work purposes and things like that, I feel like this right below the knee look is perfectly fine. I can wear this with flat sandals. I can wear it with heeled sandals or heels. I would probably go a little bit more casual with a flat sandal or some type of sandal. You could dress it up a little bit as well. I just feel like this is very comfortable and that it looks cute on me. So let me know what you think. Let me know if I could do better. See what it looks like from the back. Not to mention, I don't know the price of this yet. So let me change real quick and I will get to the wrap up and we will talk about some prices and what I think I'm Okay, so let's talk about prices. Again, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, you do get a 25% discount if you buy all 5 pieces. I don't anticipate buying all 5 pieces this time. So let's see what we have here. The dress is $68. Not too bad. I am going to try this on again and look in my closet. I do have a black high-low dress that is very similar in the pattern that I'm thinking of removing from my closet because I'm kind of tired of it. So I am going to kind of take a really good look at this and decide if I will get enough wear out of it. So, but the price is reasonable, I feel like. The speckled cardigan is $48. The shorts are $48 as well. And then the Michael Kors tie detail top is $78. I'm going to pass on that one. And then the jeans are $68. So I do feel like everything is pretty reasonably priced. The Michael Kors is obviously a little bit higher. I anticipated it being a little bit higher than the $78. So I'm pleased with the price range I'm in. My total box is $310. If I were to buy everything, that would be a $77 discount, bringing my order total to $232.50. But we are not going to keep everything. I may keep the dress, and that's probably all. I may look at the shorts, but I think that cuff issue is really going to bother me. So let me know what you think about this fix. Let me know if there are other boxes that you would like me to try. Let me know if there's anything else you would like to see me do on this channel. If you are not following me on Instagram, I'm trying to pick that up a little bit to be a little more present on Instagram and let you guys know there when my videos are up, as well as some of my outfits of the day. I'm going to try to start doing that there as well. And I hope that you guys will consider subscribing and liking this video and sharing it with your friends. I would love to see you guys the next time. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.